Today we learn character 人. 人 means person, people, man, human. Left falling stroke represents one leg and upper body. Right falling stroke represents another leg. The stroke order of 人 is scientifically proven that people who have celebrated more birthdays live longer. People, 人, 人. Which character does the running person look like? Yes, 人, 人. I have shorter legs, but I can run faster than people. 人, 人. Which character does this look like? 人, 人. I want to become 人, human being. 人, 人. 人 means person, 一个好人, a good person. 人 means people, 1,000 people, 1,000人. 人 means man, 男人, man, 女人, woman. After learning these characters, you can come back to enjoy these delicious phrases with 人. No man is a failure who is enjoying life and enjoying learning Chinese. Man, 人, 人. Today we learn the character 从. 从 means follow, obey, be engaged in, from. 从 shows one person is behind the other, signifying he is following. The stroke order of 从. What goes from Beijing to Shanghai without moving? The railway line. From. 从, 从. Which character do these pictures look like? Yes, 从, 从. 从 means follow, 跟从, follow. 从 means obey, which means to follow one's order. 服从, obey. 从 means from, which means time or place, follows on. 从 means ever, which could be seen as time follows on, forever. After learning these characters, come back to manipulate these phrases with 从. Wherever my wife goes, I will follow. Whatever my wife orders, I will obey. Today we learn character 众. 众 shows 3 people, meaning many, numerous, a lot of, crowd, multitude. The stroke order of 众. My New Year resolution is that I resolve to stop farting in public. In public, 当众. A riddle about a character. One person stands higher than 2 persons. Yes, the answer is 众. Repeat after me. 众, 众. 众 means many, numerous, a lot of, crowd, multitude. 众 means the people, the masses. After learning all these characters, come back to review the phrases with 众. It is improper to be naked in front of many people. Many people, 众人, 众人. Now we learn character 门. 门 means door, gate. 门 looks like door frame. The stroke order of 门. Toughest job I ever had. Selling doors, door to door, door, 门, 门. When God closes a door to me. He opens a dog door for me. 门 means door, gate, entrance. 门 means exit, measure word, category. After learning all these characters, come back to eat these phrases with 门 according to your appetite. You mustn't leave the gate open. Gate, 大门. Now we learn the character 闪. 闪 means flash, lightning, dodge. 闪 is composed of 人 and 门. It could be seen as that the man opens the door crack suddenly, peeps, and then closes the door instantly. The stroke order of 闪. Look out! A car is coming. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. 快闪开. A riddle about a character. Which character is goalkeeper? 闪, 闪. 闪 means dodge. Get out of the way. Flash, lightning, sparkle, shine. After learning these characters, come back to digest these phrases and sentences with 闪, with pleasure. What is the difference between lightning and electricity? You don't have to pay for lightning. Lightning, 闪电. Now we learn the character 囚. 囚 means prisoner, in prison. 囚 consists of 口 and 人, signaling a man in a jail cell. Stroke order of 囚. Fear can hold you prisoner. Hope can set you free. Prisoner, 囚犯. Which character does the picture represent? Yes, 囚, 囚. 囚 means in prison, prisoner, convict. After learning these characters, come back to learn these phrases and sentences with 囚. Animals shouldn't be imprisoned. But if you were not imprisoned, you would eat me. Imprison, 囚禁. Radical 人 is evolved from 人. Characters with 人 are mostly related to people or activities of people. It is placed on the left side. Characters with 人 include 体, 修, 你, 他, etc. Now we learn the character 木. 木 means timber, wood, log. 木 looks like a tree with its branches on top, roots underneath, and a trunk in the middle. The stroke order of 木. No trees were destroyed to make this video. Trees, 树木. Mu means tree, wood, wooden, timber, log. After learning these characters, come back to devour the phrases with mu to your heart's content. If you object to logging, try using plastic toilet paper, log, 伐木, 伐木. Now we learn the character 修. 修 means rest, stop. 修 consists of 人 and 木, signaling a man resting against a tree. The stroke order of 修. Was full when it's used and empty when it's at rest. A shoe, rest, 休息, 休息. What is the person doing? Yes, 休息, rest. What is the panda doing? Yes, 休息, rest, 休息. Xiu means rest. Xiu means stop. One needs to stop before having a rest. Xiu means don't. After learning these characters, come back to study the phrases with Xiu half-heartedly. Let's learn character Ben. Ben means stem or root of plant, foundation. Ben is made up of a tripod, mu, and a dot or short stroke at the bottom, indicating the location of the root. Cool, ingenious character. The stroke order of Ben. One must not forget his origin, nor that he is appointed to the leading post. Forget his origin, Wang Ben. Ben means foundation, which could be seen as the root of something. Ben means capital, principal, which could be seen as the root of money. Ben means book, which is made from wood. Ben means one's own native. Ben could be seen as the tree pointing at the short stroke and saying, "This is my own root." Learn these characters first, then come back to learn the phrases with Ben. In a restaurant, my wife is about to breastfeed our baby. A waiter comes over and says, "It's not allowed to bring your own beverage in this restaurant." This restaurant, 本饭店. Now we learn the character T. T means body, object. T consists of 人 and 本, meaning body, which is the foundation of a person. The stroke order of T. The human body is roughly 70% water. I'm not fat. I'm flooded. Human body, 人体, 人体. T means body, which could be seen as the foundation of a person or animal. T means object, state of a substance. T means system, which could be seen as the foundation of principles. T means personally do or experience something. Life is a near-death experience. Learning a second language is a near-inspiring experience. Water exists in 3 states: liquid, gas, and solid. Liquid, 液体, gas, 气体, solid, 固体. Let's learn character 也. 也 means also, too. 也 looks like a hand exerting itself to catch a snake. The stroke order of 也. His left hand tries to catch me, and his right hand tries to catch me too. Too, 也, 也. 也 means also, too, as well. After learning several hundred characters, come back to learn 也 in sentences. I become bored. You can become bored too. Let's learn character 他. 他 means he, him. 他 is made up of 人 and 也. It means he, him, or refer to he or she in general. The stroke order of 他. He wants to catch me with his hand. I want to wind myself around him. He, 他, him, 他. Learn some basic characters first, then come back to learn phrases with 他. It's not easy to learn a second language. It's also not easy to do nothing. A piece of bread was walking on the road. He felt hungry, so he ate himself. He, 他, himself, 他自己. I'm hungry. Let's learn the character die. Die means slow-waited, stay. Die is made up of mu, wood, and kou, mouth, looking like two hands supporting a baby for protection. The stroke order of die. What stays in a corner but goes all around the world? A stamp. Stay. Die. Die. Die means slow-waited. Die could be seen as a slow-waited baby. Die means blank, wooden. Die could be seen as a man with his mouth open in wooden state. Die means stay. Die could be seen as holding a baby with hands. Every character pronounces one syllable, and every character has meanings. Learn these phrases and sentences later. He was petrified with fear. 他都吓呆了. Let's learn 保. 保 means protect, defend, keep. 保 is made up of 人 and die. It shows a person supporting a baby with two hands. The stroke order of 保. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Keep, 保持. 保 means protect, safeguard. 保 could be seen as a person protecting a baby with both hands. 保 means keep, remain. 保 shows to hold a baby there. 保 means guarantee. 保 could be seen as ensuring the baby's safety. Learn more characters so you can enjoy yourself by expressing yourself accurately in much less time. The reason fat people are happy is that their nerves are well protected. Protect, 保护.